Hey Caleb, where are we going?
Go to zoo.
Can you say, I'm coming, zoo?
I'm coming, zoo.
What are we going to go see?
Animals.
What kind of animals?
Big animals.
Big animals?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah.
We're going to see the lions? Oh yeah?
They're sleeping.
Are they sleeping?
Yeah.
What else are we going to see? You want to see the penguins?
All gone.
Penguins are all gone.
Yeah.
Where'd they go?
From the house. From the house.
The penguins are in the house?
From the house.
In the house.
From the house. From the house.
What else?
That's the cutest thing he's ever said.
So what? So what? Heel.
Okay. One more. I'm coming, zoo.
I'm coming, zoo. I'm coming, zoo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.